recently added the EastRisk custom gadget, which are the risk register, summary, and the risk matrix. On my left are the example of the risk register summary. On the left is the risk matrix gadget. So here I already have a configured gadget. So I will show you how to configure a sample gadget. So upon configuration, you will have two options for the source. It's either you would want to see by project or by board. So in my case, I will try to see by project. Then I will use the eSeries project, then save. After saving the configuration, the gadget will show a hyperlink with label total number of risk and total number of measures. So when the hyperlink is clicked, it will redirect to the corresponding project or board risk register. So if you are a risk manager who monitors a lot of projects, let's say for example, by using these gadgets, you will be of great benefit because you can easily get an overview of your risk data or you can see the risk report on your dashboard without going to each project risk app. To mention, these gadgets are also available in Confluence, so you can analyze and make reports about the risk in your project in a wiki page.